What's up, everybody? Jackson here as always, and today I'm talking about funnels. So, funnels are an old object from my understanding, and the whole idea is you put something in the top and then it goes at the bottom, but the top is much larger than the bottom, so you can sort of cut down on any messiness involved in that process. Now, funnels can be used for any liquid, really. They're great for really bringing, say, a liquid from a larger container into a small container, which is what I'm going to show right now. So I have this empty-ish bottle of Gator Light. Now, that's not Gator Light in the bottom, for the record. That's just water. I was just using it. And I have my funnel. So you put the funnel in. You don't have to have a perfect seal on it. It just needs to be good enough. And honestly, this is the beauty of this funnel. There's three. You can take them apart too, but I think I'm going to use a smaller funnel on this because I have that capability. So here we go. You all can see that. You get a liquid from a larger bottle. In this case, my water bottle. And then, see, you bring it in here and it's just fine. But if I was to do that without the funnel, well, I'll try. Do you see how stressed I am, though? My hand is shaking because I'm going to get it all over the table. Actually, I have to say, I did do a very good job with that, but it just wasn't worth the hassle and the anxiety that it causes. So, anyway, I think people should have these hanging around their house at all times. You can probably get away with just buying a mid-size funnel. I like having all three for a variety of use cases, but something of this size is probably gonna get you good unless you're really talking about a need to get a lot of fluid into one container very rapidly. And I don't really see any scenario outside of the hard sciences in which that is necessary. So, yeah, that's everything. I love my funnels. They were $5.99 at O'Reilly Auto Parts. And I'm sure Napa has them as well. Any auto parts store and most sort of general use stores, Walmart, maybe Target if it's a big Target, Fred Meyer maybe even. In any case, everybody should have a funnel, and mine have saved me more than once. So, thanks for watching, and as always, keep on trucking.